Today, we're counting down the most powerful pickup trucks in the world. But this isn't just any list. We're talking about beasts with over 1,000 horsepower. Trucks that crush mud, sand, and the toughest terrains with ease. Which one is the strongest? Which is the fastest? Which is the ultimate king of trucks? Stick around till the end, because the one spot will blow your mind. Ready? Buckle up and let's hit the gas.
Nissan Titan XD stands out as a significant leap forward in the full size. Pickup truck segment. The ambitious nature of this vehicle is particularly evident. When it comes to carrying heavy loads, courtesy of its advanced Cummins diesel engine. Nevertheless, it is challenging to compete effectively with established brands such as Ford and Ram. Silverado 2500 HD one of the few carrier units so the Poipetida Cartifican to perform these tasks. However, the Ram 2500 and Ford F250 Super Duty this veteran model has been successful in the market.
Toyota's involvement in the electric vehicle market, particularly in terms of performance and appeal, is clear. However, the availability of lower-cost electric motors for various consumers also plays a role. Ford's Super Duty Series Vice. In addition to providing reliable performance, also aims to meet the specific needs of customers, offering a comfortable and stylish fit. The versatile caftan is designed to cater to various activities. When it comes to the luxury van, the GMC Sierra Denali series comes to mind. It is considered a one-on-one. Therefore, it has supported it as a new program for the developing users. Important invention for those who, therefore it has supported it as a new program for the users. Of course, we can also take into account the numerous accidents that have occurred with these vehicles. The Jeep Wrangler's recall program has yet to be fully implemented. The Ford F-250's massive pickup truck. The F-350 presents a highly versatile engine option. accompanied by fairly reasonable fuel efficiency characteristics. The gearbox of the vehicle appears to be functioning at a significantly reduced capacity compared to its usual performance. Larger scale investments are still needed to enhance the infrastructure in many regions. Cybertruck, seen as the truck of the future, offers a completely different experience. There's no doubt that the Cybertruck is quite an advanced and stylish truck. However,
oh my God.
It's also clear that it doesn't offer as much comfort or luxury as you'd hope for. Namely, an efficient workforce cannot be created unless we also address the problem of inadequate performance levels. Demonstrating the efficiency of electricity generating
I love everything.
systems in a simplified
All
model.
around the room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
As an example, according to the situation, a smooth muscle truck could be utilized. The Shelby F-150 Super. Snake is a modified version of the classic. Ford F-150 for high-end performance. This model, in which Shelby brings its success in sports cars to the pickup truck segment, can be described as a muscle truck. Thanks to the supercharger added to the 5.0-liter V8 engine, this monster which produces 775 horsepower, offers unexpected speed and acceleration from vans. Acceleration of 0-100 km,
Speed.
which takes place in
Here,
close to
there,
supercars
and
in
gone.
about
It's got the power of infinity and beyond.
3.5 seconds.
You hear what I'm saying? This thing's got...
Shelby Super Snake versions are quite aggressive, both visually and in terms of performance. With large air intakes, carbon fiber details, and a special exhaust system, it is one of the most ambitious versions of the F-150. The Shelby F-150 Super. Snake is a modified version of the classic Ford F-150 for high-end performance. This model, in which Shelby brings its success in sports cars to the pickup truck segment, can be described as a muscle truck. Thanks to the supercharger added to the 5.0-liter V8 engine, this monster, which produces 775 horsepower, offers unexpected speed and acceleration from vans. Acceleration of 0-100 km,
Speed.
which takes place in
Here,
close to
there,
supercars
and
in
gone.
about
It's got the power of infinity and beyond.
3.5 seconds.
You hear what I'm saying? This thing's got...
Shelby Super Snake versions are quite aggressive, both visually and in terms of performance. With large air intakes, carbon fiber details, and a special exhaust system, it is one of the most ambitious versions of the F-150. The Chevy Silverado ZR2. Bison is undeniably one of the most highly capable off-road pickup trucks ever produced. Though the standard Silverado ZR2 is already an excellent machine, the Bison edition, developed through collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, AEV, takes things to an entirely new level of performance and innovation. Born to provide exceptional off-road adventures, the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison boasts its superior durability, advanced off-road features, and an enticing V8 engine that makes it truly a beast on and off the trail. Its rugged design and strategic upgrades make it a standout in the world of off-road trucks. One of the first traits that you instantly recognize with the ZR2 Bison is its fierce appearance. It looks nothing like a standard Silverado. It's all about function, toughness, and delivering exceptional capabilities. Steel front and rear bumpers. The front and rear bumpers are crafted from high-strength steel for extra durability and better approach and departure angles for traversing obstacles. While standard truck bumpers might be damaged in hard terrain, the Bison's robust design is built to withstand the roughness. Advanced off-road systems. An essential component of the ZR2, Bison is the advanced off-road control AORC system, which includes skid plates, springs, and other features designed to enhance off-road capability. Each component is meticulously engineered, ensuring optimal off-road performance. 18-inch AEV wheels and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud terrain tires. Equipped with 18-inch AEV aluminum wheels, the truck is set up for maximum grip in dirt, mud, sand, and snow while maintaining a smooth ride in uneven terrains. Off-road suspension and performance. The Chevy Silverado ZR2. Bison provides unparalleled off-road suspension that allows the truck to tackle the most challenging trails. A standout feature is the Multimatic DSSV dampers, a cutting-edge technology borrowed from high-performance race cars. These dampers offer exceptional shock absorption, delivering control and ride smoothness in tackling rough terrains. Another notable feature is the front and rear locking differentials. Most off-road trucks don't offer control over the distribution of power to the wheels, making the ZR2 Bison a game-changer with its multi-axle system. This allows you superior control over traction and stability, while tackling challenging off-road situations. With its raised suspension, improved ground clearance, and superior articulation, the Bison makes it a true rock-crawling machine for off-road enthusiasts, serving as a benchmark in the marketplace. The Ram 1500 TRX is widely regarded as the most powerful production pickup truck in the world. It was designed to dominate the off-road performance truck segment, directly competing with the Ford Raptor. However, what sets the TRX apart is its Hellcat-derived Supercharged V8, which pushes an insane 702 horsepower, making it essentially a muscle car in a truck's body. A beast under the hood. At the heart of the TRX is a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, the same engine found in Dodge Hellcat models. With 702 HP and 650 lb-ft of torque, this truck can launch from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, making it the fastest mass-produced truck in the world. Allowing it to generate massive power even at lower RPMs. This means the TRX doesn't just perform well on straight roads. It also excels in deep sand, mud and rocky trails where constant power delivery is essential, extreme off-road capability. The Ram TRX isn't just about speed, it's also a true off-road monster. The truck is equipped with Bilstein Blackhawk E2 shocks, which provide outstanding suspension travel and adaptability to different terrains. This setup allows the TRX to absorb massive impacts, whether you're jumping dunes in the desert or tackling rough trails. To handle extreme conditions, Ram fitted the TRX with massive 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory, all-terrain tires, providing excellent grip in sand, dirt, and snow. The wider stance and reinforced frame also help keep the truck stable at high speeds. Additionally, the TRX has a jump detection system, which senses when the truck is airborne and adjusts power delivery accordingly. This prevents drivetrain damage and ensures a smooth landing. The Ford F-150 Raptor R is Ford's response to the Ram TRX, and it might just be the most well-rounded high-performance truck ever made. Unlike the standard Raptor, which comes with a V6, the Raptor R features a 5.2L supercharged V8, borrowed from the Mustang Shelby GT500. This gives it an aggressive roar and insane performance. Power and performance. The 700 horsepower V8 delivers brutal acceleration, allowing the Raptor R to hit 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds. While it has slightly less horsepower than the TRX, it is lighter and more agile, making it a better performer in technical off-road conditions. Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear changes, while the full-time 4WD system offers multiple driving modes, including Baja mode, which optimizes throttle response for desert racing. Off-road dominance. The Raptor R is built to handle any terrain. Some key features include Fox Live valve internal bypass. At number 1, we have the Hennessey Mammoth 1000, the most extreme pickup truck ever created. Based on the Ram 1500 TRX, this monster takes the already powerful Hellcat V8 and boosts it to an insane 112 horsepower, unmatched power and performance. Hennessey Performance, famous for creating some of the world's fastest cars, tuned the TRX's engine to over 1,000 HP. This is achieved through a high-flow 2.65L supercharger, upgraded fuel injectors, a recalibrated ECU. With this level of power, the Mammoth 1000 can reach 60 mi in just 3.2 seconds, making it as fast as a supercar. Off-road upgrades. Hennessey didn't just add power, they also upgraded the suspension, wheels and tires to handle extreme conditions. The off-road package includes upgraded Bilstein shocks for better handling, massive 37-inch off-road tires, custom steel bumpers and LED lights. Who is the Mammoth 1000 for? If you want the most powerful pickup truck in history, this is it. If you need supercar performance in a full-size truck, nothing else compares. However, with a six-figure price tag, it's not for the average buyer. The Hennessey Mammoth 1000 is the pinnacle of power, speed, and off-road capability. It's the ultimate truck for those who want to dominate the road. And the trails with unmatched,